Hi and welcome to this demo for Traffic Ivy. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Traffic Ivy platform to get traffic to your sites, and also how you can unleash the power of Traffic Ivy to get an unlimited amount of traffic, as much as you like. I'll show you how that works in just a moment. First up, when you log into your dashboard, you'll see this here. Everything here is real-time statistics, so you'll be able to see how many blogs are in our network, how many social media accounts are in our network, where the traffic's being delivered, and all of that great stuff. But to create your own campaign, you come over here to My Traffic Campaigns, click on Create New Traffic Campaign. You simply fill in the details. You'll see all of these things here. This is going to be displayed in the Traffic Marketplace. Then you can choose the type of content that you want to share. You can choose to share an article on our massive network of blogs, or you can post it up on a huge range of social media sites, or you can upload a video, or you can even add banner ads onto other people's websites or blogs. Or if you like, you can do a combination of all of them. So choose the one that you want to do first and set up that content. You can create article content, which would include a title and then all of the content that you want actually posted onto people's blogs. So here you can add your own backlinks to your sites, you can add your own banners, you can add anything that you like pointing back to your site, getting you a whole lot of traffic. And once you're done, click Next. Then if you'd like even more traffic, you can click Social. You can choose which platform you want to display your ads on, and then go ahead and customize whatever it is that you'd like people to share on their own Facebook, Twitter, Reddit pages, Pinterest, and so on. Once you're done with that, click Next. If you've got a video that you would like people to share on their network, you can do that as well, and upload your own video to be shared on different people's YouTube accounts. So you upload a video and you can add whatever you like to be added into the description here, including your links to whatever it is that you want traffic to. And once you're complete, upload your content. You choose how many points you want to spend on each campaign. So in here, I'll share 10 points and I'll use a maximum of 100 points. And that means that 10 people are going to share my site and they'll be rewarded 10 points. My campaign is now available in the marketplace. And that's all there is to it. My campaign is now created, so you can go to the marketplace and you'll be able to see what everybody else is seeing and sharing for you. Your content with all of your backlinks, all of your affiliate links, anything that you like is now available in the marketplace for people to go and share on their blogs, their social media accounts, or even upload onto YouTube. They'll be able to come here, simply click and share on their blogs, and they'll be rewarded. And once they share, you'll get a breakdown of every link that's been sent. So you'll be able to come over here and see exactly what is being shared and where it's being shared. You'll be able to see all of your affiliate links, your backlinks, everything that you're planning on sharing and using this system for on a whole massive network of blogs. Plus, to keep the quality of the content that is shared, as well as the traffic that's being received really solid and strong, we've developed a rating system. So you can come in here and rate. And as a person that's sharing content, if your rating is higher, you'll be able to actually earn more points and be rewarded for having better quality traffic. So that's how you'll be able to use your points. If you run out or you want more, you can always just get more. Connect your assets, including your Facebook account, your YouTube account, Pinterest, Twitter, Reddit, or LinkedIn, or you can connect WordPress sites and share articles as well. And then come over to the marketplace, find really relevant content, and share it to earn yourself some rewards. This really is an easy solution that anyone can use to get traffic to their links, to get eyeballs on their content, and to really start getting more of what you want without having to invest a whole lot of time. And thankfully, without having to spend a lot of money. I hope you enjoyed this demo video. If you want some more information, please check out the rest of this page. And I hope to see you on the inside.